Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your server with Plesk security tools, complete guide step by step clearly. To protect your server with Plesk security tools, begin by logging into your Plesk control panel. Navigate to the extensions section on the left sidebar. Search for the WordPress toolkit if you are managing WordPress sites. Install the WordPress toolkit extension if it's not already installed. Once installed, select the website you want to secure. Click on the Security tab within the WordPress toolkit. Enable hardening options such as disabling file editing and next, return to the main Plesk dashboard and find the Security section. Click on Fail to Ban to access its settings. Enable Fail to Ban to protect against brute force attacks. Configure the IP address banning settings according to your security needs. Head over to the Firewall section in Plesk. Enable the firewall to control incoming and outgoing traffic. Review and adjust the firewall rules to suit your server's requirements. Now, navigate to SSL/TLS certificates. Obtain an SSL certificate for your domains to secure data in transit. Choose between a Let's Encrypt certificate or upload your own. Once the SSL is set up, ensure it is applied to your websites. Next, access the Backup Manager found in the Plesk dashboard. Regularly create backups of your sites and server settings. Schedule automated backups to ensure you never lose your data. Finally, keep your Plesk and extensions updated regularly. Check for updates within the Updates and Upgrades section. By following these steps, you will significantly enhance the security of your server with Plesk security tools. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.